Hi friends, welcome to the Animal Kingdom. Today we are about to see the top 5 smartest reptiles. Number 5. Snapping Turtle. Snapping turtle is the most intelligent species of the turtle family. Despite their slow physical movements, the snapping turtle is sharp as a tack. Turtle owners report that they learn to recognize the sight of their food container and the sound of the food rattling around in it. Another owner shared that her turtles would try and climb rocks or burrow through mud in order to attempt to escape their outdoor pond enclosures. One researcher suggests that it has the ability to adapt to a wide range of environments. Number 4. King Cobra. The king cobra is a snake that lives in the tropical areas of the world like Africa and Southern Asia. Although it has no hands or feet, in addition to slithering on the ground, this agile reptile can climb trees and swim through streams and ponds. Unlike other snakes that strike out as a reaction to something else, like the presence of a human that startles them, the king cobra will take a moment to determine the best way to strike in order to take down their prey. Number 3. Frilled Lizard. Also known as the frilled dragon, this reptile gets its name from the large frill around its neck. They were made popular in the Disney film The Rescuers Down Under. When opened, the frill looks like a large, lacy collar that people wore during Renaissance times. The lizard will quickly open the frill around its neck to scare away predators. However, when the frill-necked lizard is in danger, it hops onto its back feet and runs away at a fast pace on two legs, standing upright like a man. Number 2. Emerald Anole. Native to the Luquillo Mountains of Puerto Rico, the emerald anole is one clever little reptile. A group of behavioral ecologists at Duke University in the United States performed a study about evolution and cognitive abilities using emerald anole lizards and an experiment that required the creatures to find insect larvae hidden under plastic discs. The result was that the emerald anole performed with the higher level cognitive intelligence usually reserved for birds and mammals. Number 1. Monitor Lizard. And coming is at the most intelligent reptile on the earth is the monitor lizard. Monitor lizards can grow to be over a meter long and weigh more than 10 kg. Monitor lizards belong to the family of carnivorous lizards called Varanidae. These creatures are among the most intelligent reptiles on the earth, with some species learning to count snails at feeding time and displaying distinct personality traits. A few have been discovered how to use their forearms to help extract insects from logs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.